Hi, I'm Shirley, and I am from Alberta, Canada. I'm 71 years old, and I started learning about trading about 3 years ago. And I have been live trading for about 2.5 years now. I watch the morning show every morning with Carlos and Peter. And the other day, Andrew was giving away a free laptop. And I'm also known as Basically Blue. And I was the lucky winner of a new laptop. And this is my new laptop. Thank you so much, Andrew. I am absolutely thrilled. It was very generous of you. And thank you so much. I really needed a new one. My old one was starting to struggle. So thank you so much. And this is what I will be taking to the next summit, the Bear Bowl Summit. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. My daughter also gave me Andrew's books. It's another way I started to learn. And the courses have been, the training has been great. All the mentors, thank you so much. I learned a lot from Thor and John and Carlos and Peter and Andrew. Thank you so much for that. It's been a journey. Andrew said you really need to have a strong why, and I did. I am still working, and I can't work till I'm 80 years old. They will ask me to retire soon, I'm sure. So this will supplement my income, and that's what I need. I don't need to make a ton of money, but I need enough to supplement, and that's what's happening now. I am consistently profitable now, and I am delighted with it. Thank you, Andrew, and all the Bear Bowl team. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you.